With me, it's about like sort of fancying a guy and him not being able to see it and being a bit frustrated by it. It's called Headstart. Are we feeling okay? I was just checking, I thought I was a bit deep. They say it's around you different than I usually do. They say that I've even given special treatment. I deny you, but I can't. What you don't seem to understand is I won't just take you, and I've left signs, but you take no notice. Was it so hard? Was it so hard? Was it so hard? I've given you a head start. I know it's guys on these head. Come on, what did you see? I've given you a head start. I've more pride than many. This is kind of rare for me. Everyone knows that it's true. You're the only one in the room, but you don't see me. Do you must be blind? I'm not too. That's alright.